Hey YouTube, it's Lexi.
And Shelby.
Welcome to the Idea Lab channel, or welcome back I guess. So today we are printing a 3D filament spool holder for the Idea Lab here at Red Rocks Community College. We don't have a ton of space in our lab, so we needed to find a solution to be able to get the spools out of the way. So this is the design we came up with.
Yeah, so it consists of 3D printed parts and some PVC pipe, and we can clip on our spools right above the printer. It's really cool. So we'll start with the time lapse, show you guys how we 3D printed the parts, and we'll meet back with you here after the time lapse, and we'll start building it.
Right, well that was a pretty cool print. So now I'll go grab the parts so we can get everything put together.
Awesome. I'll get the shelf ready.
Okay.
Shelf's good. Oh god. Ah! Ah!
Come on, Shelby. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay. So, awesome. Oh. We got three parts. These are going to go on the bottom of the shelf, kind of like that. 1, 2, 3. Yep. And then we're going to run a piece of PVC pipe through those 3 mounts, just like that. And then we're going to have these little hooks. They clip in to the pipe.
Yep, just like this. And then this piece right here goes right in the between it.
So we'll put the pipe aside.
Okay.
So if you look on the parts, you can see that there is a hole just big enough to go through the drill. PVC pipe.
Okay.
And I think it's a little bit too long. I got like a foot over here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to trim it down. I just measured the length of the wood, so we're gonna need to do 71 3/4 of an inch. So if you want to mark on here, 71 3/4. Awesome. So we're going to head over to the chop saw in the workshop, and we're going to cut this thing down.
Yep.
We'll meet you over in the wood shop.
Right.
3D printing room. How's the cut?
Great.
Sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Back in the 3D printing room now.
Yep.
And so this is a very tight fit.
Yeah.
So it does require some minor encouragement from a mallet.
Do you have enough room here? I don't want to knock anything over. Never words you want to hear.
Good job. That was bad.
Bad.
Woo!
Nice.
Okay. Now the fun part. We gotta take all the stuff off the shelf
Okay.
and put it back.
All right. Sounds good.
Time lapse.
All right.
Oh my god.
Oh wow! Look at that.
We take our filament now, feed it straight into the printer. That's gonna be pretty sweet.
That is.
Awesome.
That's exciting.
So now we just gotta put everything back on the shelf, take everything off that one,
And put it back.
and then screw and cut one more.
Okay.
Here we go.
All right. Sweet.
Time lapse.
All right. So we got the first shelf put up, and everything looks awesome.
Looks pretty cool.
Yep.
You can pretty easily move the filament around.
Mhm.
So we're pretty happy with that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna move on.
So now
To the
we're
second
gonna.
one.
Yep. We're gonna make a second shelf now, and then put that back up and take everything down again. Oh. Where'd you get that?
Magic.
Magic.
Uh-huh.
All right. All right. So we got both the shelves set up, and everything is good to go.
I think we're good.
Yeah.
We just gotta print more hooks, more rods, and then we are all set.
Yeah.
So my name's Shelby,
And I'm Lexi.
and we want to thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, comment, and like, and check out some of our other content on this channel. Thanks for watching.